and thanks for taking time out of your day. Well, we're very short and to the point. National Credit Associates will remove all negative or derogatory credit permanently and legally, or we will pay you $10,000 back. Let me repeat that. We are going to remove all negative and derogatory credit permanently and legally from all three major credit bureaus. That's Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian, or we're going to give you $10K back. Now that's a heck of a guarantee. Check us out, nationalcredit10000.com, diversifiedconcepts.net. Give us a call, 528-815-528-5441, or check us out at nationalcredit10000.com. We're going to remove all negative and derogatory credit permanently and legally. You're here because you don't know who to trust, how to go about restoring your credit, how to rebuild your life. Trust us. Give me a call. Mark Smith, 815-528-5441. Thanks. Have a great day.